highway, finger in the air, cause I do things my way. The next town's where I call home. I throw a shot glass down in a light of a smoke, always raise a little hell, never do what I'm told. I was born with that whiskey in my soul.
Put me in the dirt with my bottle and my glass, with a marble headstone saying I was a badass. Born on a bar stool, still living fast, a whiskey in my soul on the day that I passed. Kiss my kids goodbye, tell them daddy was a rebel, living life on the road with his foot on the pedal. Now it's backstage rooms where the devil likes to pray, with his coke on the counter and a blonde with long legs. And my great-grandfather was a California bootlegger. Now I sell my own booze, I guess I'm a booze maker. Life's been a dice game, go ahead and call it. Felons on my payroll with a couple alcoholics. Put me in the dirt with my jack and my glass, with the marble headstone saying I was a badass. Born on a bar stool, man I live fast, and those that didn't like me can kiss my
I've been drifting down that open highway, finger in the air, cause I do things my way. The next town's where I call home.
Come on.
I throw a shot glass down in a light of a smoke, always raise a little hell, never do what I'm told. I was born with that whiskey in my soul. I'm a highwayman on a midnight run. Granddaddy always said to never trust no one. And I've had my ups and I've had my downs, and the sheriff wants me out of my home.
Y'all was coming in, and now you're backing out. It's hard to talk big with a shotgun in your mouth. I'm glad you brought your friends, they can watch it go down. I got mine too, so welcome to my house. Cause these are my people, and this is my land. And this is what we pray for, and this is God's plan. And if you ain't from here, then you won't understand. This is my country, and this is who I am. So welcome to my house. So welcome to my house. You better believe it, cause today won't be your day. I can guarantee it, you should turn and walk away and get to leaving, or I'll let this 12 gauge do all my speaking. Don't push me on the edge, boy. Cause I'm aiming.
I'm an outlaw, give me 2 shots. We don't need a radio, bring a jukebox. For my outlaws, bring me 3 shots. We can raise hell before the speed stops.
I'm a whiskey drinking SOB. If you don't like that, then you won't like me. I'm an outlaw. I said I'm an outlaw.
Fire up the Harley, now I'm off to Cali to do my thing. Rolling down the 15, full speed, splitting these lanes. I got the common vote thinking that I'm going insane. True outlaw, think I'm lying, just Google the name. Since 2006, me and Turbo were rocking this outlaw shit, and they can't stand it.